Hey everyone, so today is Chakra Tuesday, so let's see what the chakra cards have to tell us today that might help us on our journey. So let's pull a card. Emotional balance, stability, harmony, peace, fluidity. I'm not sure, we may have gotten this one before, but this is important, especially during this time of year. If you celebrate the holidays or you are attending gatherings, or maybe it's a tough time of year for you for whatever reason. Maybe it's also being with family. Maybe there are some triggers there with family members and it's a struggle to go enjoy the holidays and be in this peaceful state of mind. So this emotional balance is try to create an environment within yourself to achieve that balance within. And this is what is going to create the stability that you need to see yourself through the holidays or any other situation that you may be encountering. Maybe something else is happening in your life and it has nothing to do with the holidays, that is creating a bit of a situation for you where you feel unsteady or unsupported. So the only way that we can achieve this stability is by going within, listening to what it is that we need, following through with what it is that we need, making sure that we are taking care of ourselves, making sure that we are doing what feels right for us, if it feels good for us, if it is on a higher vibration. If we are doing things because we feel like there's an obligation there, and of course we all have our things to do, we have family to take care of, but sometimes we overextend ourselves and we become overwhelmed and we don't speak up when we are feeling this way because maybe we're givers, maybe we just want to give and help and assist people, but that doesn't help anyone if we are not making sure our own cup is full. And as you can see in this picture, this cup is full, so we want to make sure that we are creating that balance and that harmony, filling that cup up within ourselves so that we can assist people, so that we can make it through the holidays, so that we can provide that love to ourselves, give ourselves what it is that we need so that we are taking care of ourselves. So I hope this helped you. I will see you next time. Bye.